Fries, burgers, and milk. Sounds yummy to me.
It's fall, the air is crisp, and the kids are back at school, which means your life just got hectic. My name's Alberti, and I love to decorate. We're gonna show you how to take that dining table and turn it into 3 different scenarios. 1, a great place to eat. 2, a great place to do homework. And 3, an awesome place to spend family time together and play games. First things first, let's talk eating. This table is all about the simple, but it's done in an impressive style. For our centerpiece, we decided to go big and functional. So we use these beautiful galvanized boxes. They create height and drama and add great texture to the table. Keep fun conversation pieces around the table. Put something in these boxes so that everyone has something to talk about. I always love fresh flowers on the table, and a great way to actually hide the flower vases or the bases is with wire baskets that have a beautiful cloth liner. We used a beautiful farmhouse runner down the center of the table, and that's gonna pull together the entire look for our place setting. Just because we're doing simple, it doesn't mean it can't have layers. We ended up using a galvanized charger as our base. It really works with that farmhouse theme. Then, melamine plates are great because the kids can actually do all the cleanup of the table without having to worry about breaking dishes. These have beautiful florals. I love the black and the whites and the ivories and the grays. Then we used a buffalo plaid napkin to wrap all of our silverware in, and we finished off the look with a galvanized napkin ring. These blessing bags are the perfect way to finish off your place setting. Have the kids work on these while you're making dinner. On the inside, they'll write a little note saying what they love about you. For our glassware, we just decided to have a lot of fun with this theme and use canning jars instead of glasses. Now that everybody's had their dinner, let's get to business and talk about homework. Clear off the table so that the kids have a great workspace and a clean slate. We've got that box that we had on the table that not only was decorative, it acts as storage for all their supplies. And then, just to give everyone some relaxation and ambiance, we've included this really cool warmer that actually warms up your candles without having to burn the wick, so you can now enjoy that aromatherapy while getting that A in class. Now that the homework's done, let's talk game night. For game night, we wanted to keep it fun and functional, but we wanted to make it extra cozy. So we took a blanket, threw it across the table as our tablecloth, added a chunky throw to make it extra cozy and comfy, giving everyone ample games to choose from, snacks, and of course, plenty of room for board games. And there you have it, 3 functional and simple ways to get your family back around the table this fall. Whether it's dinner, homework, or game night, there's always a reason to gather with your loved ones.